It's Friday. Okay, now, I'm not gonna be a popular girl today, but you need to understand when you do a lot of flexion, right? So like front of the body, we have to tone the back of the body, okay? All right, that's your pep talk. We're gonna start on all fours today. Get my handy dandy timer. All right, so let's shake up those hips. All right, cat-cow. Whew. And away we go. Right leg is up. Now, curl the toes, bend the knee, lean a little bit right. So if the right leg is up, you want to lean a little bit to the right, okay? And you're just going to lift up the leg. All right, so today is sort of like a reset button before the weekend. Consider it that, okay? Consider it done. Check in the box. Healthy spine and healthy, healthy functioning with the body. You really need to strengthen the back line, okay? Also known as the posterior chain, all right? Because a lot of us are really much stronger on the front of the body than the back line. So it just takes a little bit of tending to, and you're gonna be great. You have 5 more seconds here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're gonna hold it up, please. And then you're gonna flex your foot and then just straighten it out and bend it back. All right, so nothing exciting today. Just think of it like it's Friday. We've got the weekend coming to us right around the corner. It's here. One more day of work. All right, so in this exercise, you are getting the core because you have to balance here, okay? You are getting your mid-back, and oh boy, you are getting your lower back in a good way. You have to strengthen the lower back too, okay? All right, and also you're getting your arms. A lot of arm toning here. So you're just straightening the leg and bending it back again. Try to keep your foot really flexed. All right, nice job. Woo. All right, remember, check in the box. Reset button before the weekend. Does anyone have any fun weekend plans? Let me know in the comments. I would like to live vicariously through you. All right, let's switch legs. Okay, shake it out. Left leg is up, point the toe and lift. Whew, I'm actually going out for dinner tomorrow night with my son who's in college. He's been studying really hard and I just thought it might be a nice break. So we're going to this restaurant called Seasons 52. Have you guys heard of that? It's a national chain. But, oh, it's so great. So it's Seasons because they design their menu according to the season. 52 meaning 52 weeks throughout the year. And they change their menu quarterly, which I can tell you is 13 weeks. Because once upon a time, I used to sell advertising on TV, right? On cable TV. Okay, ready? You're gonna flex your foot. You're gonna straighten your leg and bend. That's all you're doing. We're all doing this together. Hang in there, you've got it. Yeah, I used to sell advertising on TV, can you believe it? And it was local advertising for Time Warner Cable here in Boston. So I used to write the commercials and sell the commercials to local businesses. And I would say, hey, you've got a sporting goods store. Do you want to be on the Bruins game this weekend? So anyways, we had to create an a marketing plan and an advertising schedule for them. And then we would write it out on these sheets of paper. That's long ago time. It was a long time ago. All right, take a little break. Now listen, you're gonna come down the forearms. Remember what we talked about. Hands separated, do not clasp your hands. Right leg is up. How you doing? So you're gonna tap and lift. Now you can give your hands a break here, but you really wanna make sure that you keep lifting that leg. Can you see me? So it's just straight up, my hips are still square. I'm flexing my foot, and you know what I love to do here? I know, can you believe it? I have an affinity for leg lifts. on forearms. Anyways, you're gonna flex the foot, and if you touch your big toe on the ground, just a little tap, swing and sweep. I shouldn't say swing, don't swing it. So the thing about leg lifts is if you swing it, you are gonna go into your lower back, like that's too much momentum. All right, so you wanna make sure that you're lifting and squeezing the right area. All right, we're targeting the glutes today, the back of the body, remember? Yep, check in the box. All right, let's switch legs. Left leg, flex the foot, right? You see that? And down on the forearms, you're just gonna tap the big toe and lift. Tap, lift, whoops. Crickety crack. Don't worry about if you hear some cracks. I used to worry about that. I'm like, whoo, that's not good, is it? But just think about it. You're moving the muscles around a joint. So if a joint like just cracks a little bit and says hello, typically that's okay. All right. I'm not giving you any medical advice. I'm just saying, like, typically if something's cracking, the muscles are in the wrong way. You could always straighten out your muscles. You just have to work at it. Okay? You've got this. 5 more. Ready? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew, how you doing? That's tough. That was 6 minutes. Okay, now we're going back to the bridge. You're going to lift up to the bridge and down. So we talked about it yesterday. For those of you who are following along every day, when you do your bridge and like your heels are closer to your bum, you're focusing on glutes. All right, so we're gonna do half and half. And then when you walk your heels like away a little bit, that's more hamstring. Okay, can you do hamstrings now? I'm flexing my feet. My heels are digging, my toes are up in the air. All right, ready? Yeah, you're focusing on those hamstrings. I know, it's tough. You can do it. 10 more. Up. 9, 8, 7. You're toning the lower back. The love handles. Oh, sorry. I know some of my clients don't like that term. 3 more. 2. All right, bring it in. Take a little break. Walk your feet back in. Get your game face on. Here we go. You're going to lift up, single leg bridge. Left leg is up. You can do this. Ready? So it's down and up, single leg bridge. I cannot tell you how good this is for your body. So great. And you only have like maybe 20 of them, okay, for 1 minute. I'm still timing us. So guys, I'm wondering if you all have any props at home, okay? So I'm gonna try to see, I've been looking around at Amazon for too long of a time than I care to admit. Months and months, to be honest with you. Because I want to put it in my link tree that like you could go right to Amazon or whatever and get, you know, like just one order, one package of props. So it would be like a flex band and little weights, a long flex band. Okay, we're switching legs. Up, single leg bridge, 1 minute, down and up. Don't be shy. You're down and up, you're squeezing, okay? Doing great. I think you only have one more move after this. Anyway, so I've been looking on Amazon and trying to figure out, like, now what would be a quick order of all the props that I work with? So these are the props I work with. I work with the small flex band, the long flex band, the foam roller, fitness circle, small little weights, weighted balls, well, of course TRX, but that's not really a prop, small playground ball, the big ball, love the big ball, and really bulky, but always good to have in your, and the yoga block. So if you can just comment today, okay, you're gonna hold up your bridge, and then you're gonna stay here just for 10 seconds to reset. Remember, today's like our resetting day. This is day 5, March 5th. You've been doing like a lot of core 4 days in a row. Again, a lot of curling up. you need to do the back line. I cannot even tell you how important it is, okay? Or I'm telling you now. So please believe me. Take it from me. All right, bum down. Hug your knees to chest. You did really well today. You just have one more move, okay? All right, so I'm trying to talk a little faster for you guys. All right, so we're just gonna do plank to pike for your last one. You ready? You've got this. So you're nice strong plank, and then you're gonna pike up. Good. So it's inhale plank, exhale pike. Yeah, so my first day, just so you guys know, my video did not post because Instagram changed the parameters on IGTV again, and it can't be longer than 15 minutes. So my first video, even though it was supposed to be just 10 minutes, I always add personal training, coaching tips along the way, and I did too much talking. I know you find that hard to believe. Anyways, you have 5 more here, and you're done for the day. Breathe in, plank. Breathe out, squeeze up. 3 more, come on. 2, plank to pike. Good, and last one, it's inhale plank, exhale pike. All right, do me a favor, bend your knees, walk your hands, your feet, up to the hands, and just let your body hang. Woo, shake it out, shake your hands, say yes and no. Good job. If you want, you can clasp the hands behind your bum. Love that one, a yoga move, right? You're gonna bring your arms up. Ooh, that feels good. All right, ready? Look over your right shoulder. Look over your left shoulder. Yes, bring it on. All right, release your hands, bend the knees much more deeply than you had before. Let your head go, inhale. Now with an exhale, you're gonna curl the belly as much as you can, breathing out. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Bring your arms all the way up like a little rag doll. Awesome job today. High 5. High 5, high 10. All right, so comment below what props you have at home, and then we can continue to move forward into March with Mo's March Madness, okay? Thanks, guys. Bye.